Airports are hubs of activity, constantly bustling with travelers eager to reach their destinations. However, amid the excitement and anticipation, travelers often overlook a critical component of modern air travel: cybersecurity. The Transportation Security Administration, more commonly known as the TSA, plays a crucial role in ensuring not just the physical safety of passengers, but their digital safety as well. Recently, the TSA issued key warnings about two prevalent cybersecurity oversight mistakes that could expose travelers to potential digital threats. It's essential for everyone heading to an airport to be aware of these risks and the simple steps they can take to safeguard their information. Firstly, consider your connection to public Wi-Fi. We all know the convenience of hopping onto a free network, especially at airports between flights. However, the TSA strongly advises against using unsecured public Wi-Fi, particularly for online transactions or entering sensitive information. Public Wi-Fi networks are notoriously vulnerable to cybercriminals. These networks can be rife with loopholes, even those sanctioned and monitored by the airports themselves. Hackers can intercept data, steal personal information, and even install malicious software on your device. Additionally, deceptive hackers might create fake Wi-Fi hotspots, mirroring legitimate ones, tricking users into an insecure digital trap. To bypass this risk, use your cell phone's data if possible. It might be slower, but it's considerably safer. If Wi-Fi use is necessary, employing a virtual private network, or VPN, is a robust alternative. VPNs encrypt your data, hiding your IP address, thus delivering a more secure online experience against would-be cyber thieves. The second risk the TSA highlights involves the widespread presence of USB charging ports. Many airports offer them as a convenient option for travelers eager to charge their devices before boarding. However, these ports pose a threat known as juice jacking, where hackers can plant malware or steal data via these connections. To steer clear of this danger, opt for regular wall outlets for charging, as they do not facilitate data transfer. Moreover, using USB data blockers can provide an additional layer of protection, ensuring your device is only charging, not exchanging information. Airports themselves are not immune to cyber threats. In a case that served as a cautionary tale, hackers targeted Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, disrupting operations and affecting numerous travelers. This incident underscores the incessant attempts by cybercriminals to breach airport security, seek sensitive data, and potentially disrupt the travel ecosystem. As the FBI continues to combat these threats, travelers must stay alert and play their part in maintaining digital security. In summary, by avoiding public Wi-Fi and USB charging ports, travelers can significantly reduce their vulnerability to cyber threats at airports. A bit of caution and smart use of technology can go a long way in protecting your digital footprint in today's interconnected world. So next time you're at the airport, take these simple precautions to ensure your journey is not just safe but also secure.